Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into side-by-side comparison of four major virtualization platforms: VMware, Virtualbox, Hyper-V, and Qemu. Whether you are a developer, IT student, or just want to run Linux on your Windows machine, this is your quick guide to picking the best virtual machine software in 2025. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal opinion and research from official sources and user feedback. From the official VMware site, this is a powerful Type 2 hypervisor built for professionals. It supports advanced networking, 3D acceleration, and great compatibility across OSCES. But it comes at a cost, literally. VMware Workstation Pro is a paid product. It's best for developers and IT pros needing enterprise-grade performance. VirtualBox is the go-to free and open-source Type 2 hypervisor. It's extremely easy to use, supports snapshots, and runs on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. However, it can be slower and less stable with 3D or heavy resource workloads. It's best for beginners, students, and hobbyists. According to Microsoft, Hyper-V is a Type 1 hypervisor integrated into Windows 10 Pro, 11 Pro, and Windows Server. It runs directly on hardware, offering better performance and isolation than VirtualBox or VMware Workstation. Downsides, it's Windows only and not very beginner-friendly. It's best for power users on Windows and enterprise environments. From Qemu.org, this is a low-level emulator and virtualizer, ideal for advanced users. It's incredibly flexible, supports many CPU architectures, and can work with KVM for near-native performance on Linux. But it's not for the faint of heart. The learning curve is steep. It's best for Linux power users, security researchers, and emulation geeks. For the final verdict, if you want free and easy, go with VirtualBox. If you're running Windows Pro and need raw speed, try Hyper-V. If you need robust performance and don't mind paying, use VMware Workstation. And on Linux and want unlimited control, Qemu plus KVM is your power combo. And that's it for today's deep dive. Let me know your favorite VM tool in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Catch you in the next one.